Croeso nôl.
Croeso nôl I chi.
I got
Rwan
it
ta.
first.
You got it. You
I
beat
got
me
it
to
first.
it.
Croeso nôl.
Da ni'n falch o'ch gweld chi. Rwan ta. Mae Sean Fletcher yn dod I mewn I siarad gyda ni. A be sy'n wych ydy, mae Sean wedi dysgu Cymraeg.
No way. Really?
Achos fysa ti byth yn deud, mae Gymraeg o yn, wel, mae'n hollol rhugl. Totally fluent. Ond mae wedi dysgu. In fact, dwi'n meddwl, I think I taught one of his first ever lessons.
Oh, so you're claiming it. That's what you're doing there.
Well,
you're claiming that, everything to do with him learning Welsh, becoming rhugl. So he opened the door because of me into the world of Welsh.
I probably put him off for a while, ond dyna ni, mae'n
No,
iawn.
you don't put many people off.
Felly, flynyddoedd yn ôl, years ago, pan o'n i'n gweithio yn y brifysgol.
Well, da iawn ti.
Da iawn fi.
Da iawn ti.
Da iawn Sean.
Da iawn Sean.
Yeah.
Hefyd. Da iawn Sean.
Felly, mae Sean
Yeah.
nawr yn byw yng Llundain.
Llundain.
Ond roedd o'n byw yng Nghaerdydd, gyda'i deulu. Mae dau o blant gyda fe. Ac mae o'n gweithio I Sky Sports News ar hyn o bryd.
Newyddion Sky Sports.
Newyddion Sky Sports.
OK, shall we start?
Y wers.
Y wers.
Barod? Mae hwn yn hawdd. Ti'n gwybod hwn, you know this, under gwsg in your sleep, felly.
Rwyt ti'n.
You are.
You are.
Question?
Wyt ti'n.
So, easy questions like, do you enjoy living in London?
Wyt ti'n mwynhau?
Living in London?
Byw yn Llundain.
Perffaith. Beth am, do you enjoy work?
Wyt ti'n joio gwaith?
Yeah, perffaith.
Mwynhau gwaith?
Hawdd iawn. Beth am, you're a sports reporter.
Rwyt ti'n
ohebydd...
Ohebydd, treiglo, drop the G, do you?
Drop the G.
Ohebydd, chwaraeon.
Chwaraeon.
Okay, ohebydd. Ohebydd is reporter.
Yeah. OK, nesa. Ar sgrin. Oedd hwnna'n gyflym iawn.
Settle down.
Right te.
Rwyt ti wedi?
What happens pan da ni'n ychwanegu ad y gair wedi? What does wedi mean?
It's the past.
Yeah, so it literally means have. So,
have.
Have you?
Have you?
Yeah,
Okay.
no, you have. So, have you lived in Africa?
Rwyt ti?
Question.
Wyt?
Yeah.
Wyt ti wedi byw yn mewn? No? Yn Africa?
Ardderchog. You can ask him, have you learnt Welsh? Because you won't be able to tell, chos mae'n rhugl iawn. So,
Really? Wyt ti wedi dysgu Cymraeg?
Iawn.
Neu ddysgu?
Na, dysgu.
Dim treiglo.
Dim treiglo, perfect. Iawn?
Okay.
So I thought we'd just stick with two really simple structures.
Okay.
And you can be creadigol, creative with them.
Creative with them, okay. And elaborate on what he's been saying.
So os allan ni fynd yn ôl un sgrin, os gwelwch yn dda, rwyt ti'n, you are.
Rwyt ti'n? You are.
Next one, rwyt ti
Rwyt ti
wedi.
wedi.
You have.
You have.
Neu have you.
You are, you have, you are. What's
Achos
reporter again?
reporter gohebydd.
Gohebydd. And when you treiglo in it is ohebydd.
Ohebydd. Sports
What's-
reporter,
Gohebydd chwaraeon.
ardderchog. News reporter,
Newyddiadwr.
yeah, that's
No?
journalist. Or you can say gohebydd newyddion.
Gohebydd newyddion.
Yeah, literally
Okay.
news reporter.
Fine.
As opposed to journalist.
Are we all right?
Perffaith.
Yeah?
Gwych.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I was a little bit slow then.
Yeah, mae'n iawn.
I think
Prynhawn dydd Sul, da ni'n
I've
ymlacio.
had a big lunch. What
Slow
can I say?
start, mae'n all right.
We're
Dwi
gonna be
dal yn
fine.
falch ohono ti.
You'll
I'm
hold
still
my hand
proud of
through
my
it.
student.
Diolch yn fawr. Thank you very much.
Iawn. Felly dyma Sean ar newyddion Sky Sports.